Yo, what's good with y'all YouTube? Today's video, I told y'all we're gonna find another website for the PlayStation 5 for free movies. I told you I'm gonna keep my word. I'm gonna keep looking. It may take weeks, it may take a month, I don't know, but I'm still searching. So I found y'all website. Pay attention. So now let me just put the website in. I see the website right here already, but I'm gonna put it in for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do it for y'all because y'all gonna think I'm capping. I'm just gonna put the website in. You know what I'm saying? It's at lookmovie2.onl. Put that in and it should pop up. Okay? So now, watch this YouTube. This is very important. I want you to go to the website. I want you to find your movie that you want to watch. So we're just gonna pick Spider-Man because that's like the brand new movie that's out or whatever, right? So you wanna click out of this. Do y'all see that right there? Hold on, I don't think y'all see it. This is very important. Y'all see that right there, the seconds? Once this go down, you'll be able to press play on the movie. So this is very important. You see the thing that I'm clicking on right there? Wait till that go down. Like I said, this is very important because I don't want no people in the comments like, yo, bro, this is not working. I gotta, bro. You see how it said free movie? Click that, and then you click the Spider-Man movie. It should pop up. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I don't want nobody in the comment down about, oh, this doesn't work. Nah, bro. What are you talking about? See? You see it? It's on. You know what I'm saying? The movie on. This is a new website for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I told you I'm gonna keep finding more websites for y'all. For the PlayStation 5 people. I'm out of here. Love y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.